Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have studied 4 different particles: Beth, Dolat, Waw, Lomat, and its meaning, how it is applied to a Syriac word. Today, we come across with the 6 Syriac letters: Beth, Gomel, Dolat, Kof, Pe, Tau. These 6 letters have 2 different articulations. Which are they? Which are the 6 letters? See, Beth, Gomel, Dolat, Kof, then Pe, then Tau. These 6 letters have 2 different articulations. 2 different pronunciations. The one is hard, the other one is soft. The one is the hard pronunciation. It is called Kusaya. The hard pronunciation is called Kusaya. The hard pronunciation is named as Kusaya, which is indicated by a dot placed above the letter. The Kusaya pronunciation or hard pronunciation of any of these letters is indicated by a dot placed above the letter. See, above the letter. One dot above the letter. Second one, the soft pronunciation is called Rukaka. The soft pronunciation is called Rukaka. The soft pronunciation is called Rukaka, which is indicated by a dot below the letter. In order to indicate the soft pronunciation or Rukaka, we place a dot below the letter. See how it is placed? Below the letter. Okay? Then, there are 6 Syriac letters: Beth, Gomel, Dolat, Kof, Pe, Tau. These 6 letters, Kof, see the end form of Kof. These 6 letters have 2 different articulations: soft sound and hard sound. The hard sound is named as Kusaya, and it is indicated by a dot placed above the letter. Above any of these letters, above the letter. And the soft sound is called Rukaka, and it is indicated by a dot placed below the letter. Okay? We can call all these letters together Bagad Kapot. There is no any meaning to this word, but it is only an expression. Bagad Kapot. Beth, Gomel, Dolat, Kof, Pe, Tau. Bagad Kapot. Okay? Bagad Kapot. How it is pronounced? Bagad Kapot. Bagad Kapoth. Bagad Kapoth. A small line given below a letter shows that the particular letter is not pronounced. A small line given below the letter tau, it shows that particular letter is not pronounced. Below the letter noon shows that particular letter is not pronounced. See, here sometimes this small line is given below or above the letter. For example, Atuzu, Aleph, A, Noon, above the letter there is a small line, Atuzu. If in a Syriac word, two tau comes one after the other, the second tau will be soft. Attuzo. And the noon, that is placed here with a small line above the letter. Therefore, here the noon is not pronounced. There is noon, the second letter is noon. Here the first letter Aleph, second letter Noon, third letter Tau, and the fourth letter Tau, and fifth letter Aleph. Here the second letter Noon is not pronounced because it is placed with a line above the letter. And the second Tau is soft. Second Tau, the fourth letter Tau is soft because it comes immediately after one another tau. That's why it is soft. Attuzo. It is pronounced as Attuzo. Attuzo means woman. Attuzo. Wow, woman. Then it can be written like this also. Attuzo. Here, the small line is placed below the letter. A small line placed above or below the letter shows that particular letter is not pronounced. Okay? Then, Ath, you. Noon is not pronounced. Ath, you. Hasano. Here as dot is given below the tau. That's why the tau is soft. Hasano. Not Hathano, but Hasano. Hasano means bridegroom. Siome or Ribui or Tupe are two horizontal dots. Siome. Syome. Syome. Ribui. Or Tupe. It means Syome or Ribui or Tupe means two horizontal dots. Two dots. Sometimes like this. Two horizontal dots. Placed above the plural word to denote a plural number. In order to denote a plural number, two horizontal dots are placed above the letter of that Syriac word. Okay? That two horizontal dots are named as Syome or Ribui or Tupe. When a plural word contains the letter Resh, the dot over the Resh is made to coalesce, doubled with one of the plural dots. For example, like this. Here there is one dot and also one more dot. Not two dots, but in reach there is one dot and we add only one dot in order to show the Siome, Rubui or Tupe, in order to show the plural sign. Okay? Then here the dot of the reach is doubled. The dot of the reach is doubled. Kutobe. Kutobe means books. Kutobe. Kutobe means books. Kutobe. How it is written? Kutobe. Kutobe. Kutobo, book. Kutobo is singular. Kutobe is plural. Kutobo, singular. Kutobe, plural. Books. Kutobo book, Kutobe books. Here two horizontal dots are given. These dots are known as Siome or Ribui or Tupe. These dots are plural signs. Plural signs. Okay? Then separe. Separe means birds. Separe means birds. Separe. Here it is reach. Then the dot of the reach is doubled here. Separe. Plural form. Separo, bad. Separe, birds. Separe. Shmohe. Shmohe, how it is written? Shmohe. 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 Shmohe means names. Shmo, name. Shmo, name. Shmohe, names. Shmohe, names. Rishe. Rishe, here the word begins with a rish. There is one dot. Rishe is a plural Syriac word. That's why here the one dot of the rish is doubled. Rishe. 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 Rishe means heads. Rishe means heads. Okay? Today we have studied 6 different letters. They have 2 different articulations. One is hard and the other one is soft. The hard pronunciation is known as Kusaya and the soft pronunciation is known as Kusaya. The hard pronunciation is indicated by placing a dot above that particular letter. And the Krukaka, the soft pronunciation is indicated by placing a dot below the letter. There are 6 different letters which are the Bagad Kapoth, Bagad Kapoth, Beth, Gomel, Dolad, Kof, Pe, Tau. Okay? Then we have studied the plural sign. The plural sign in Syriac it is known as Siome, Ribui or Tupe. The plural sign is indicated to the plural number by placing 2 horizontal dots above the plural word. Above the plural word. For example, Kutobe, books. Separe, birds. Shmohe, names. Rishe. In the case of Rish, we double the dot of the Rish in order to get the plural sign. In order to get the plural sign, in the case of Rish, we double the dot of the Rish. If there is a Rish in a plural Syriac word, then we will double the dot of the Rish in order to get the plural sign. For example, Rishe, Sapare. See, the dot of the Rish is doubled. See, here also the dot of the Rish is doubled. Okay? Study well. Thank you. Dear students, See the Syriac letters. There are 6 Syriac letters. They have 2 different articulations, 2 different pronunciations. Which are the letters? Bet, Gomel, Dolad, Kof, Pe, Tau. Bet, Gomel, Dolad, Kof, Pe, Tau. All these 6 letters have 2 different articulations. The hard pronunciation is called Kuzaya, which is indicated by a dot placed above the letter. The soft pronunciation is called Rukaka, which is indicated by a dot below the letter. 2 different articulations. The first one is Kuzaya and the second one is Rukaka. See which are the letters? Bet, Gomel, Dolad, Kof, Pe, Tau. Bagad, Kapoth. In order to remember all these letters, see this word Bagad, Kapoth. Next one. A small line given below or above a letter shows that the particular letter is not pronounced. A small line given below or above a letter shows that the particular letter is not pronounced. For example, Attuzu. Here the letter Noon is placed with a line above the letter. Attuzu. See the second Attuzu. Here Noon, the letter is placed with a line below the letter. Here Noon is not pronounced. At. See the line below the Noon. You. Hazinu. Hasinu. See the dot below the Tau. Hasinu. Bridegroom. Next one. Siome or Ribui or Tupe. There are 3 different names for plural signs. Siome, Ribui or Tupe are 2 horizontal dots placed above the plural words to denote a plural number. When a plural word contains the letter Rish, the dot over the Rish is made to coalesce, doubled with one of the plural dots. With one of the plural dots. If a plural word is with a Rish, the letter, then one more dot is added to the dot of the Rish. See, the plural sign is named as Siome, Ribui or Tupe. Plural signs are 2 horizontal dots. They are most commonly placed above the plural words. If there is a Rish, one more dot is placed to the dot of Rish. See the examples. Kutobe. It is a plural word. Books. See how the Siome or Ribui or Tupe is placed. Plural signs. 2 horizontal dots. Sapare. Here there is Rish, the letter. How the Siome or plural signs is placed. See. Shmo he. See the placement of plural signs. Rishe. There is Rish. How the Siome is placed. One more dot is added to the dot of Rish. Okay. Study well.